Hi, it's Patty from Thronatisca. You all have probably seen this before, but it's a really fun thing that you can do at home. So I want to talk about this Mentos and Coke trick. So first of all, you want to be somewhere where you are able to make a big mess, because this will. And I got a Mentos. Okay. It's not that exciting, is it? Not real exciting at all. Notice that Mentos was in my mouth. And I'll explain what's happened later. But now let's take one that has not been in my mouth. Now, let's figure out what happened here. The first one I took out of my mouth. So what do you think is different between the one that I took out of my mouth and one I took out of the package? The way this works is there's not actually a chemical reaction going on. It's something that's going on the surface. Whenever you open up a Coke or a soda, you hear this pop. Okay? What's coming out of there is carbon dioxide. And if we were to shrink ourselves down to where we're very itty bitty, and we were to look at the surface of a Mentos, it would kind of look like the surface of this brick wall right here. And so the carbon dioxide that is inside here is going to accumulate on here, and it's going to cause this big explosion. So these little things are dollar store, about $1. And remember, what's important is the surface. And the surface the liquid is going to react on that surface, and more carbon dioxide is going to get generated, and we're going to get a Coke fountain. So perfectly safe and easy to do at home. Just make sure that whatever mess you make, you clean it up. Have a good day.